welcome back, it's me Rog, and we're still here in Spain, and today I'm going to be cooking a fairly authentic Spanish dish. It's sort of a starter or a tapas. It's called Pimientos de Padron, and it's just a very mild green pepper if you like, but possibly 1 out of 10 will really hit the spot and really burn you, so it gives a little bit of excitement to the dish. Basically, it's these little mini green peppers, and they're fried in a vegetable oil, and then you add a little bit of salt, you char them, make sure they're charred, they've got a little bit of colour on each side in return, and but I'm going to change it a little bit by adding some chopped garlic for a bit of extra flavour. Stay with me, I'm hoping you'll enjoy this very small video.
So I'm going to start with the garlic, cut this up quite small, little tiny pieces like this, and then that's ready to go in the pan. So off we go to the hob. Put the pan on the hob, we've got it on fairly high, in with a drop of cooking oil, just a little bit, just like that. Then we can go in with these delicious Pimiento de Padron peppers. In they go. They don't shrink too much, but boy are they tasty. So part way through we're going to give them a little bit of a move around. What we want to do is get these charred on the outside, like this. So we're going to turn these over and get them charred all the way around. They go a little bit soft as well. So there they are, all ready for the garlic. So in the garlic goes. And I like to get this a little bit brown, so it's got a little bit of a crunch on it. It does taste good. I know this isn't authentic, but it's the way I like it. It's the way we like it. Then a hefty pinch of sea salt. Now we've got to put in as much as you like, not too much, depends how much you like really. A little bit of a turnaround, looking delicious. Now it's time to plate up. Now this is a very popular side dish over here in Gran Canaria, or in the whole of Spain really. There we go, can't wait to tuck in. Very tasty. In fact, so tasty, I managed to buy a packet of seeds to bring home with me.
Hey, wow, Pimientos de Padron, a fantastic Spanish dish. I mean, so simple, really guys, try this for yourself. All you've got to do is be able to buy those peppers wherever you live. They're fantastic. Starter, can't be a main dish, they're too small. Thanks for watching this video. Please give me a like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you all again in the next video. Thank you again and bye for now.